What's good everybody, is your boy David again and I'm back with another video. So ngayon, mag-react tayo kay Mariel Montellano, Singing Pangako. So medyo matagal-tagal na to, 'di ba? Marami na akong hindi napanood na mga performances ni JM at saka ni Mariel and the Jamiel as well. But for now, ito yung gustong-gusto kong bigyan ng reaksyon, yung mga Regine Velasquez songs na kinanta ni Mariel sa Cebu. So, ito yung Pangako. And if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video and comment down below. You can also follow me on my Facebook and TikTok and on Instagram. And if ever may marinig kayong hangin, kasi andito na naman ako ulit sa bukid, so pagpasensyaan nyo na kasi sobrang mahangin today since kanina pang afternoon. So, up until now, like 11 in the evening, maghahating gabi na, like super duper malakas pa rin yung hangin. And sobrang malamig. Anyway, so with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go, Mariel Montellano. Angelic talaga yung boses. Woo, I love that. Beautiful.
Sing with me. Pangako, hindi kita iiwan. Pangako, di ko pababayaan.
Ganda ng boses talaga.
Pangako, hindi ka na mag-isa. Pangako, magmula ngayon tayong dalawa.
Woo. You know what? Beautiful execution, especially sa kanyang vocal control and the dynamics, no? Hindi pa siya bumibirit niya na, pero napapangiti na ako sa sobrang ganda ng boses. Galing talaga, man. I think compared to Araw Gabi na kinanta niya, which was also a wonderful, powerful performance. But I think may slight edge itong kantang to kasi I think mas bagay sa kanya. Nice.
Sa tuwing kasama ka, anong ligaya. Sana sa akin ay magtiwala. Kung tunay man ang nadarama mo, mayroon akong nais na malaman mo.
Grabe, where pa?
ang magkasama.
Woo! Nice. Okay. Sa lahat ng nakita ko at narinig kong performance ni Mariel, no, solo performance. I think dito sa performance na to, yung narinig ko pa so far na talagang buong-buo yung pag-belt niya, no? Yung talagang medyo diin, okay? May diin talaga yung mga belt parts, which I'm so surprised. Kasi 'di ba, I know that she has the power, but I did not think na meron pang maididiin yung persa ng boses niya, which is I think uh, completes the package para kay Mariel, no? Kasi 'di ba, she has a very soft, sweet, angelic voice. Tapos malawak yung range niya, and then may konting diin din yung boses, no? In terms of beat it. And now na narinig ko na mas parang solid ngayon na, may extra solid yung birit niya sa performance na to, which I think that completes the package, no? From Mariel, if gusto niyo siyang kunin as an artist, no, sa mga shows ninyo, I think she's really a complete package, no? As a singer, meron talaga siyang ibubuga, and she's very versatile as well. Hindi lang pang birit, hindi lang pang mellow songs, but she can do a lot of things, and she can also dance, no? Very talented. And yun nga, sinabi ko kanina na I think this song suits her better compared sa Araw Gabi. But Araw Gabi is also one of her, I think, very malinis na rendition or version ng Araw Gabi. But for some reason, I just give this one a slight edge, no, dahil nga doon sa kanyang pinakita sa atin in this performance. So yeah, that's it. And I hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.